Hi, I'm Sarah Gustafson, and I'm here to talk about my pamphlet on juvenile diabetes. Juvenile diabetes is an autoimmune disease that causes the body to attack the pancreas cells, and the pancreas is in charge of producing insulin. So when these cells are attacked, the body stops producing insulin. It's also known as type 1 diabetes. People with this type of diabetes must monitor their blood glucose levels using uh, a daily, regular, sometimes multiple times a day, finger pricks to check their blood. They use insulin injections and a balance of diet and exercise to manage their diabetes. When newly diagnosed, there's a lot of management that has to happen. Usually kids are quite ill, and that's why they find out that they have diabetes. So they can miss many days due to doctor appointments or hospitalizations. Type 1 diabetes can cause extreme exhaustion, which can make school attendance difficult. They also will need to be seeing a nurse or someone trained to do the blood tests and insulin shots regularly during school. So managing when they're pulled out of classes or groups is also something to pay attention to. The 5 developmental areas people with type 1 diabetes can have some cognitive concerns. Their physical growth spurts can come at different times, and then that can also affect the need for an increase in insulin or a change in their diet. So regular communication with parents is very important. I have lots of resources here. We're very fortunate. Children's Hospitals and Clinics of Minnesota has a great endocrinology program that helps kids with diabetes. Also, the Mayo Clinic has wonderful information. JDRF, it's a type 1 diabetes research funding and advocacy group. Fabulous website, lots of great information. And they also have this bag of hope that I put in a picture here that you can get for free for people who are newly diagnosed. There's also some cultural resources here with diabetes information in different languages. Also, I included something for cultural and ethnic food and nutrition because diet is a major way of controlling type 1 diabetes. And depending on your cultural background, your food intake may be different. So it just was something neat that I added there at the end.